Oh, oh shit. Oh, I have to buy a new thing for cover the phone because this one is already covered. Hey, Abba, thank you for the raid. Thank you. What's up, Abba? Thank you, thank you. Hi, Sides. What's up? Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome, Raider. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Hi, MS. Hello, Jewel Queens. Michael, what's up? What? Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. How was your stream? What did you do today on the stream? Gym! Very okay. Good, that's great. You just start streaming, right? Fishing! Cool. I wanna fishing sometime too, but sorry. Welcome newbie. Welcome to Twitch. I was newbie before when I was young. No, actually, I have been streaming for almost 1 year now. It's 11 months. Thank you. You too. Have a good day. They ever really like his Asian. What? We heading to W District. I don't know. I don't know. Hi, so. What's up? How are you today? Guten Abend. Oh no. Guten Morgen. How are you today? We good? The hot trap. What? In trouble. Hey, Booby, Bully. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Yeah, I'm doing good. I just have some coffee though. Are you not gonna leave me to party again, right? So. Right? We are going to have dinner with Tulula. I'm not sure I've spelled her name right, so Tulula. So we're gonna have some food and chatting stuff, I think. Chill day, Saturday. After 20 is a bad idea. I know, Jim. I'm planning for playing some game tonight. I'm planning for playing some game tonight.